Have you ever wondered why everyone is suddenly talking about AI agents? Some people say ChatGPT is already an AI agent. Others believe AI agents will replace jobs, run businesses, and even work while you sleep. So, what's actually true? In this video, we'll explain the difference between ChatGPT and AI agents in the simplest way possible. By the end of this video, you'll understand how each one works, what makes them different, and why AI agents could change the future. Let's begin with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot designed to understand human language and generate helpful responses. You type a question, it analyzes your request, and within seconds, it generates an answer. It can write emails, explain difficult science topics, write computer code, translate different languages, and even help you brainstorm new ideas. But there's one important thing to remember. ChatGPT usually waits for you to give it a prompt. Without your instruction, it doesn't take action on its own. Think of ChatGPT as an incredibly smart assistant, waiting for your next command. Now let's talk about AI agents. An AI agent is much more than just a chatbot. Instead of only answering questions, an AI agent can actually perform tasks for you.
Aura, display the network traffic.
Imagine you tell an AI, find me the cheapest flight to Dubai, compare hotel prices, book the best option, and send everything to my email. A chatbot would mostly tell you how to do these things, but an AI agent actually does them. It searches, it compares, it makes decisions, and if something goes wrong, it tries another solution automatically. Its goal isn't just to answer, its goal is to complete the mission. Let's understand this with a simple example. Imagine you want to create your next YouTube video. With ChatGPT, you ask for video ideas, then you ask for a script, then a title, then a thumbnail idea. Everything happens one step at a time. Now, imagine doing the exact same task with an AI agent. You only give it one instruction. Create my next YouTube video. The AI agent immediately starts working. First, it researches trending topics. Then, it chooses the best idea. After that, it writes the script. Then, it creates thumbnail ideas. It can even generate images and videos. Finally, it schedules the upload, all without asking you after every single step. But here's where things get interesting. Can ChatGPT become an AI agent? The answer is yes, in many situations. When ChatGPT is connected to tools, it can browse the internet, read documents, write code, analyze data, and complete multi-step tasks. That's why the line between ChatGPT and AI agents is becoming smaller every year. So, does this mean AI agents will replace humans? Not exactly. AI is incredibly powerful, but it still depends on humans for goals, supervision, and important decisions. Think of AI as the world's fastest assistant, not the world's new boss. In the coming years, we'll probably see AI agents helping with business, education, healthcare, software development, and even our daily lives. So let's make this as simple as possible. ChatGPT mainly gives you answers. AI agents complete tasks. ChatGPT is like a brilliant expert. You can ask anything. An AI agent is like a smart employee who can actually do the work. Both are powered by artificial intelligence, but they're built for different purposes. Now it's your turn. Would you trust an AI agent to handle your daily work? Tell us your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.